Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we have a new keyboard from Logitech. This is the Pebble Keys to K380S multi-device keyboard with Bluetooth connectivity. Now, I've been using this keyboard for a while and I think this is one of the better keyboards at this price point, which offers a lot of features, by the way. So before anything else, let's just get into the unboxing. So here's the box. It just looks very clean and minimal. So this is the keyboard. It comes in this nice packaging. Again, I've been using this for a while, so this is not the best looking box, but here it is. You don't get any kind of cables here because it's not a rechargeable keyboard and it does not have any wired or 2.4 gigahertz connectivity. This is purely Bluetooth connectivity, which offers multi-device connectivity, by the way. So you can see we have 3 buttons here to switch devices. I'll be showing you that in this video as well. But this is the keyboard itself. It's pretty cool looking, and with the circular keys design, this looks unique. And I should say although it is completely made out of plastic, it is a very high quality keyboard, and you just need to put, I guess, 2 AAA batteries in this. And I've been using this for a while again, and I haven't really changed the batteries, so I think the battery life is also very good. So here's the keyboard again. It comes with this function keys on the top with 3 buttons to switch between 3 devices simultaneously, and you have the volume controls, play, pause, screenshot button, and there's also an emoji button which basically opens up your emoji menu or the clipboard on Windows. And you have this button which can also lock your device, by the way. If you're using this with a laptop, you can lock your device very easily by just clicking on this button. And the keys designs certainly look very unique compared to a lot of other keyboards, with this circular design and this oval shaped design for a lot of these function buttons. Overall, it's a pretty nice and good looking keyboard. On the side, you have the on off button. Just turn it on or off. And you also have an indicator light that tells you when it is turned on. And just look at this. When you turn on the keyboard, it also tells you which device it is connected to right now. So currently it is in the second device connection. So here's the tablet. I'm going to connect this to my tablet here. And for the pairing process, you just need to press and hold one of these buttons, and you can see the light starts blinking rapidly and it will show up on your device. You just need to select it, and here you can see I need to enter this particular number on my keyboard, which is kind of weird. I don't think a lot of other keyboards do this, but okay. So I just need to enter this number and click enter, and it will pair with my device here. All right, so it is connected to my tablet, and I can use this. Basically, you can see I'm using it on my tablet. And similarly, you can just connect it to 3 devices simultaneously, and you can easily switch between these devices by just clicking on these buttons. Again, I would say this is a very good keyboard for the price. There's also the Asus keyboard I've seen on Amazon, which looks very cool and different. But I personally prefer the minimal look of Logitech devices, and generally as well, Logitech is very good in mouse and keyboard accessories generally. So I would say the Logitech Pebble 2 K380S is a very good keyboard. So you can check out the link in the description if you want to buy this, by the way. So anyway, subscribe to the channel for more videos like this, and I'll see you guys in the next video.